Hello guys, welcome. In today's video we are going to talk about global variables. So first of all, what are the global variables? Global variables are always declared outside the functions. Suppose c is equals to 6. This is the c is the global variable. So if I define function def, suppose fun is the name of the function, and it takes I as an argument. And then if I, so how can we change the value of the global variable? We can change the value of the global variable as c is equals to suppose 7. So as you can see here, the value of the global variable is 6, and then it changes to 7 here. So and then if I return c, so first of all, we need to mention that c is the global variable. So we need to write the statement global and then c here. And then we can check print c, and then we can call our function fun c. So as you can see here, first we declare our global variable, and then we create a function name fun and take I as an argument, and then we identifies that c is the global variable, and then we change the value of the c, which is equals to 7, and then we return c here. As you can see here, if I run this program, you can see here the value of the global variable appear here, which is c, and the function returns the value which we have changed, which is 7 here. So as you can see here, we can change the value of the global variable with respect to our needs. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos. In next video, we will start our chapter 5. Thank you very much for watching.